Yeah, smoking that gas, counting them bags, nigga, we do this shit every day. Popping them tags, we fresh on your ass, yeah, we be dripping like every day.
You motherfuckers can't tell me nothing. I'd rather die than to listen to you. My DNA not for imitation, your DNA an abomination.
And don't forget, follow me on Instagram, Sporties.
That's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And on one day, you stay, tell me which way did she go, she went the other way.
Estimated like expansion teams till I flex them championship fingers. The aroma, Doja lingers.
Word up, you know? I rose dolo from state to state. Ha ha. Word up, you know what I mean? Yeah. I just want to link up with those getting it like I get it.
I made it like that. I bought it like that. I'm living like that. I made it like that. I bought it like that. I'm living like that.
Welcome back. Not much has changed since 2019. Business has been phenomenal. I may be in a much higher tax bracket, but I wasn't worried about getting there. I'm far from where I want to be, but on the way, no doubt. And don't you forget, where you at, I've been, and where you going, I left. Still going at it with the man in the mirror. Definitely not worried about others. Let's talk about peace of mind. How'd I get this? Well, if a man is right, his world will be right. Easier said than done. Again, my challenges do not come from detailing. I face my fears on many occasions. Furthermore, I've embraced my mistakes and downfalls. Why have I embraced them? You probably thinking my pockets got tapped each time. Yeah, that's one reason. But most importantly, lessons were learned, obstacles within myself were conquered. I know I'm rather unique in my own eyes, but my experiences, no different from any of y'all's or generations of men who have come before me and will come after me. Socrates said it best. The more I know, the more I realize I know nothing. I'm trying to tell you, I don't have all the answers, and when I hear someone asking questions such as, how do I get more customers? I can't help but ignore them. Stop running. Face your fears. Approach people. Closed mouth don't get fed. If your issues are with that topic of acquiring a legit clientele, then I can only assume that you probably don't have any confidence, have seldom met adversity, no business cards, most critically, no heart, and the list goes on. Gotta give in order to receive, but many of you detailers got it backwards. But that's for you to figure out, or maybe you'll reinvent the wheel. And even if I do tell you, once again, you've done no work. So go ahead, gather all the info you can from whoever or whatever video. It only matters when you put it to use. And without a burning desire to be on your purpose, you will fail. So if you're scared, go to church. Catastrophic events have built my confidence. Failure has become only a hurdle in my eyes. It's gonna happen to me and you on many more occasions. Only difference is, I'm gonna handle mine face to face. Julius Caesar already said, cowards died many times before their deaths. The valiant never taste of death but once. So stop pump faking, get busy, get on your grind, get on your purpose. You're not unique. Now in my eyes, you're not. I'll see you at the finish line. Enough talking. Who really gonna be about it? With that said, get ready for Patreon. The serious need only to apply. The videos are good, but now let's get personal. Only a few slots will be available. Much will be required upon those who are willing to pay to play. Stay tuned. Slots will open up when the next video drops. And then your questions will be answered. Camden, what's good? New Wave by NA and I. What up? Until Patreon.